Anyway, can you go ahead and get a GoDaddy domain and have it forwarded to either Save Club's link or the brand new Save Club funnel link? And yes, for sure, go to GoDaddy. They're the best. They have live 24-hour customer service, even on holidays. It's nice when you can just talk to somebody and say, look, I want to buy a domain. And if it's not taken, for example, I want to make out with saveclub.com. If I want to buy that and it's open, I can talk to GoDaddy. They'll say, yes, Cory, you're a pervert, but I want to make out with saveclub.com is 100% open. It's about $11, but out the door, it's $12 and 17 cents. How do I know this? Because I buy domains from GoDaddy just about every week. All right. I have a lot of online businesses, and the more fun I have with my domains, I have more success, to be honest. So call GoDaddy. And if they have an open domain that's never been taken before, it's going to be about $12 and 17 pennies as of right now, because I just bought one. So good deal, right? And then for free, you can forward that domain from GoDaddy to capture pages. In my case, I have two different ones. Now, this is the direct capture page that you get. It's called the Powerline landing page. This is right from Save Club. When you are an affiliate for $60, this page is your money maker. People watch this YouTube video. They fill out this form right here below, right where I'm pointing, and they click that orange button, and bam, they can get an email and sign up with Save Club from the email. Or they can just sit on the fence a little bit, do some research. And what's nice about Save Club is they send out one email per day for 30 days. And if people want to opt out in the email, just hit unsubscribe. Okay, now with the brand new funnel system, this one you can actually send paid traffic to if you want. You don't have to, but if you want the funnel system, which has gotten me outrageous success and a lot of my downline, I'd say probably 50% of my downline, 40, 50 people are going to have this funnel system, and they're going to have success with it, in my opinion, because it's massively just geared towards over explaining Save Club